beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today we're doing a Merit Beauty review part 2. I am so excited to do this review because I don't know if you guys have seen part 1. If you haven't, I'm gonna link it right here and you can click on it and watch it and then come back to this video. But I am so excited to review Merit again because spoiler alert to my last YouTube video, I literally loved all of the products and have been consistently using them and even rebought some of them after doing that review. So I am so excited to do another one for you guys, and I hope you guys can love these products as much as I do. I'm gonna show you guys first the new products that I got, and then I'm gonna show you guys the old products that I got from last video, so that you guys can kind of see what I have in my collection from Merit. I genuinely love every single one of these products, so you would be totally safe going out and buying any of them if it's your first time trying them, if it's not your first time trying Merit, but genuinely love all of them, and I'll tell you guys why. I have a lot more information about Merit and the brand in the first video, so if you guys want to get more informational facts, you guys can definitely watch that in the first video. But other than that, we're going to be talking about the products in this one mainly. First, when I received the products, you get them in this cute little like carry-on makeup bag that opens up like this. And then you can just like tie it and carry it around. So I have 2 of these now, and they're amazing because they actually store a large amount of makeup and they make it super easy and it protects it while it's traveling. So that's what I really love. Okay, so this time I got 3 new products. The first one I got was actually something that I wanted to get the first time, and it's the brush. It's the N01 brush, and it was sold out. You guys, it is, I wish I could have you feel this through the screen. It is so soft. And I am so excited to try this. The next one is the Flush Balm, and this one's in the shade Terracotta. And it just looks like this, and then you open up the top, and there's the balm. I love the packaging too because it just makes it so easy to display because it looks so cute, and then also just like easy to travel with. And then the third item I got is the Merit lipstick. I have not tried a lipstick from them, so I'm really excited about this. And this is in the shade 1990, which is more of a richer chocolate shade. And I don't have a shade like this in my collection, so I'm really excited to try that out and try out this formula. Those are the 3 new products that I got that I'm super excited to try out. And then now I'm gonna show you guys the products that I already have. So to start, I already have 2 of the glosses. This one's a lip oil and this one's in the shade Bel Air. And then this is a tinted lip oil and this is in the shade Pink Beat. And I love both of these. This one kind of has a little bit more pink in it because I used it as like a topper. Okay, the next thing is the complexion stick, and this one's in the shade Bisque. I've used this one a lot. If you guys follow me on TikTok, you guys see how much I use this product. I love this. I've gotten some of my friends to get it, my mom to get it, and they all love it and think it's amazing. And I really like it because it's small, like it's easy to work with. It's not like a huge stick, so you can put it under your eyes, and you can really layer this or have it be very simple. Like on days where I'm like, I want a little something, but I don't really want to put on a full face, this is really easy to just stick on. But if you do want to have more of a fuller face, then you can apply it like that as well. The next thing is the highlighter balm. This is a holy grail product to me. This is like the finest highlighting balm, so it really does look like your skin is just glistening in the sun. It's absolutely stunning. And this one's in the shade Kava. You guys will see later in this video when I use it, but this is such an amazing highlight. I absolutely adore it. It's very subtle, but like it makes it look like you're just like so healthy from within. This is the volumizing pomade, and this one's in the shade Blonde. I don't use this one as much as the other products, but that's just because I don't really use brow brushes as much. I normally will use a pencil and then whatever form of gel to keep them down. But I have used this a few times and do really like it. I just don't use it as much as the other ones. The next thing, I also have another blush, and this one's in the shade Beverly Hills, and I've used this one a ton and absolutely love it. That's why I'm so excited to try the terracotta one. This is a holy grail product, an item that I have rebought, and this is the mascara, and it is so good, you guys. The mascara is chef's kiss, and it also does really well with like sweat and water. Like I can sweat in this and be It has some strength to her. So those are the products that I have tried previously, and I'm really excited to mix them in with the new products. So let's get started and let's do our makeup. I'm gonna do what I would normally do and just prep the skin with some makeup primer. So now I'm gonna start with Bisque, the complexion stick, and I really just apply this under my eyes, angle it up, and then any blemished areas. So I'll apply it in my T-zone, and then for some reason my skin is loving to give me a hard time right now. I'm gonna put that around that pimple because I don't want to put it directly on. Yeah, I'm just gonna put a little bit on my jaw over here because I'm gonna be putting stuff on my cheeks and bronzer sticks and stuff, and I don't want to just like leave my jaw empty. Okay, and then I'm using the brush to blend her in. Oh my gosh, this brush is amazing. Let's see how it does under the eyes, because the eyes are like a gentler area, so I'm not gonna be as harsh on my eyes when it comes to blending in, especially with this season's allergies. I am really quickly gonna apply some bronzer to warm up the face, and I was gonna get the complexion stick in like my bronzer shade, but they were sold out of it, so I'm just gonna use one of my own bronzers, so I'll be right back. I'm using the Merit brush to blend out my bronzer just because I really want to see how well the brush does at blending out. Then now we're gonna do the blush balm in the shade Terracotta. And you can apply this blush in different ways. You can apply it from the actual product to your cheeks, or you can apply it from putting it on the brush itself or on the sponge. I'm just gonna apply it from my face to my cheeks. And I'm actually really excited about this blush in my collection personally because I have a lot of super pinky toned blushes, and the Beverly Hills one is super cute, and that one's a little bit more of a pinky tone blush, but this is just a little bit more of like a warmer blush. Like it partners really well with the bronzer. And then I do want a little bit more of a pinky top to my blush, so I think I am gonna go into Beverly Hills. And then that way you guys can also see a comparison between the two. But I'm gonna have that more on the high points of my cheek. Oh, I love that shade, it's so pretty. Something else that I really do love about Merit too is you don't need to use a powder with it. Like it's cream products, but they're not too dewy. I have dry skin, and I like that this isn't too cream to where like I would have to put a powder over top, you know what I mean? And then now we're gonna go in with Kava, the highlighter, and you guys, so amazing. Are you ready for this? I'm gonna do it this way. Oh. So pretty. It's just like, you can't even, if you look at me like this, you cannot even see it on my cheek. It's just like such a fine cream that it literally looks like I'm glowing from within. I love it. I'm going to fill in my eyebrows a little bit now. Okay, and then now I'm using the pomade in the shade Blonde to just kind of like fill in any of the sparse areas, and I'm actually loving how that looked. Like I feel like this one matches so much better, like this shade matches so much better with this shade of brow than the last time I did it. I had a darker brow shade, and I'm liking that a lot. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with the mascara. I haven't worn mascara in a like literal second because my eyes have been so bad with allergies. Like I have been like crying, and not because I'm sad. I'm pretty happy right now, but oh, this is so satisfying. Okay, and then what I like to do is put on a layer and then let it dry and do the other eye before I go back to the other eye and then do the second coat. And then in the meantime, you guys, there's a link in my description for Merit that you guys can access the website, but it's my personal link with Merit. So if you guys ever want to get anything from them, you guys can use my link and check out the products. Oh my gosh, it always does so good on this eye. Let me give you a close-up. If you have really long lashes, this mascara is going to be amazing for you because I have tiny little itty bitty lashes and I love it already, so I can't imagine the length you would get if you were born with amazing lashes or like use lash serum. The next and final thing to try is the lipstick. And I'm going on a like little picnic later that's gonna be like kind of a hike, so I probably will end up taking this off and putting on the lip oil for a little bit more of a natural look, but I did want to try this for you guys. Let's try it out. Oh my gosh, it is a much softer brown than what I thought it was gonna be. I love this. I was expecting it to be like a very rich chocolate brown, and it is like, it's still like a brown and like there's a lot of pigment and stuff, but I don't feel like it's like too dark for me. You know what I mean? Like I feel like it's very pretty. I feel like it could be a very, very beautiful, nourishing nude on darker skin tones too. Like it is a very, very comfortable lipstick. Okay, and then now I'm gonna take the lip oil in the shade Bel Air. And this is the final look. What do you guys think? If you guys have tried their products, comment below what products you have and have tried and what ones you love. I can't wait to hear from you guys, and hopefully you guys found some products that maybe you want to try, and if you do, let me know and let me know your thoughts after. Thank you so much to Merit for making this part 2 happen. I am in love with your guys' products and I think they're amazing, and I love the message behind your brand as well. So I'm excited that we get to share the love with everyone else, and I hope you guys get a chance to try their products and enjoy them just as much as I do. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me and getting ready. Don't be afraid to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and comment down below, and I will see you next time. Bye, beauties.